Hey everyone! If you want to improve the quality of your photos without using complicated editing software, Pixlr offers several powerful tools that can help. In this video, I'll show you how to enhance photos in Pixlr from start to finish in 2026. First, visit the Pixlr website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, open the Pixlr editor and upload the photo you want to enhance. After your image loads, take a moment to examine it and identify the areas that need improvement. This could include brightness, contrast, color balance, sharpness, or overall image quality. Start with basic adjustments. Use the brightness and contrast controls to make the image clearer and more visually appealing. Small changes often produce the best results. Next, adjust the color settings if needed. You can improve saturation, vibrance, and color balance to make the photo look more natural and vibrant without overdoing it. And that's how to enhance photos in Pixlr in 2026. With a combination of manual controls and AI-powered tools, you can dramatically improve your images in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.